Jackson.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to Anderson and welcome to another junkyard video. To be honest guys, I have a lot of fun doing these. I kind of always end up going, especially when the weather is getting nicer like it is, and I need some parts anyways for this thing. So we're gonna go head over. They have a W220 S430 over there that I would like to grab the front calipers off of, because that is a common upgrade on these. Bolt directly up, and with those you can use a 330 millimeter W203 rotor, and overall the combination very cheap and repeatable compared to the OEM rotors that is used on these now. Crazy expensive. So we're gonna try to save a bit and also upgrade at the same time with a little bit lighter, newer style caliper and rotor. So let's go. I'm thinking about taking this thing. What do you guys think? Let me know. This thing, this thing. This is our usual junkyard hauler, but I mean, it'd be a good drive to take this thing on. So vote now. All right, you guys, well, I think you voted for the C43, so it's probably a good choice. Let's take it since we're getting the parts for it anyways. I got all my tools packed up. I got a box in case we do pick up the brake calipers. Keep them in there nice and safe. And yeah, should be good to head out in a second. Let me double check if I need anything else from the garage and go on a cruise. All right, one other thing I want to grab, since I had to take the torque converter off of this, they charged me like 60 bucks for it and I don't really need it. So I have the one from the red C55 sitting in here. So let's grab that in case I do end up going to both pick and pulls, so I can return it. Get some store credit. All right, now we should be good to go. That 190 is at the Linwood pick and pull, where I pulled the M113K from, but the 220 that we're getting the brakes off are is over at the Arlington pick and pull. So might be a multiple stop day. We'll see. All right, hopefully you guys get a decent view right there. It's my first time recording in this car. Fires right up. It does say we got a light bulb out somewhere, which sometimes is just 202 things really, but could be. Okay. Zeroing out our mileage. We actually got a stereo in this car, which is awesome. So I'm excited. Get to actually take this thing out. Let's go for it. Alright guys, sorry, such a nice day. I got the window open, but I'll close it up for you guys real quick. I think this car could probably use a set of motor mounts. It does feel like it has a little bit of vibration sitting on the brake and drive, but not too noticeable. It's just they're probably original most likely. But besides that, I just got kind of normal maintenance plan for it to start out. We're gonna do the intake manifold reseal, the injectors, and then start going through the brakes and suspension, anything like that. So just freshened up, and then we can start thinking about mods in the meantime. But overall, I mean, the car drives really tight. It's a great feeling car. Got our cool little flip out. I actually have a car with a radio. It's kind of weird. But cool though, cool to have. It looks like it was wired up for a sound system as amplifier and cable. It looked like maybe there was a sub in it at some point. But yeah, somebody definitely took care of the sound system at some point. well, I'm gonna be cruising, listening to some music, so I'll catch you guys once we're closer over there. Well guys, sitting in traffic, and this is why I always take the back roads everywhere, but sometimes I'll take the freeway, just, I don't know, spontaneous decision, and I swear, man, you always end up hitting some type of traffic. It drives me crazy, but oh well, we got about 20 minutes left. If we were taking the back roads, we'd probably still have about 20 minutes left, but it would have been, you know, without stopping all the time. So hopefully this will clear up soon in the next mile or so, and we can keep rocking. Alright guys, finally out in the nice countryside. Sorry you're kind of sideways, but we're almost there. We're in Arlington officially. Took us about 35-40 minutes overall, but just pulling up soon. Alright, finally we are here. Let's go park isolated and be on our way. You guys let me know, by the way, are we manual swapping this car? Does it feel like the right thing to do? Kind of feels like the right thing to do to me. Let me know. Alright, see you in a little bit, legend. Let's go inside, guys. Alright guys, we're in while my phone is loading. I was coming to check out the wheels real quick. I always take a quick peek. There's usually not much here, but every once in a while. But this is what they got. They got a couple C classes, S class, couple MLs, 210 and 211. So see what we can find. Oh, what's this? Venezuela GM. That's a GM wheel. All right, well, these are usually a lost cause, so let's make our way. Check out the S class first, row 44. Here's what they got out front. How you doing? Cool little truck right there. Old Ranger. This thing's actually pretty nice. What the heck? And it's a manual? This thing's sick, dude. You guys need a little truck. That'd be a good runner. That's the Jeep. Alright, oh, row 44 right in front. Nice. Try and make this quick. I just saw the back of the 210 over there. Prelude, MDX, Galant, Previa, Forester. What is this? 6 Series? Oh, there's one of the MLs. I'm trying to think if I have any parts that I need off of ML, since I have a couple here. Here's one of the C classes. I think this is one of the ones I checked for rear SAM a while ago. S class all the way in the back. Looks like it's been torn through, so fingers crossed. Yes, calipers are still here. Both of them, yes. All right, that's cool. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I like to see. Will this fit anything I have? Do I need anything? I think this is good. I'll grab it. Can make it fit somewhere. How about the back ones? Yes, this is what I need. Oh, this is actually dang, these are kind of gigantic. I don't know, we'll see. I might be able to use these for something. I just love those floor mats, guys. Hey, somebody. Why do people do this when they check out the car? They just completely ransack everything and just... I guess I can't be too complaining. I've done it here and there, I guess, but not this bad. At least I kept everything laid out, I guess, but... Somebody just grabbed a couple floor mats. I didn't grab all of them. Alright, well, let's make a quick work. Hood badge. Alright, let's make quick work and go grab those calipers. You know what's tempting too, guys, is just grabbing a spare manifold, and that way I could rebuild one while it's off the car and then just literally swap it in like an hour whenever I'm ready on the C43. So maybe I'll think about that. I'll take a look at a few of the, I think there's a couple M113s here today, so I guess I'll take a look and see which one looks like it's in the best shape. These calipers are a little crusty, guys. I mean, nothing to be afraid of, just corrosion, but I wonder if, because this looks like steel, I wonder if only the AMG ones are all aluminum. This looks like aluminum in the front, but I don't think I have a magnet with me to test this. All right, you guys, quick work of that. 2 18mm bolts, and then just got to get our brake line up here, the wrench. Like I said, these are a little chewed up, so I'm gonna look around. I mean, realistically, they just need a scrubbing and a painting, but yeah, they're a little nasty, so probably been sitting around for a while. They're 25 bucks, so 50 bucks for a pair of good upgraded brakes is not bad at all, but we'll see. We'll take a look around definitely at the yard today. All right, you guys, well, hiding under there, it does say Brembo. So these are good brakes, obviously, but they're gonna need some love. So I'll hang on to them for now. And all right, guys, well, GoPro ran out of juice, but I got the other one off. This looks much nicer, what they're supposed to look like. I think this one is just full of grime, you guys, so it should be fine. Once we clean it off, scrub it off, it'll look like this again, and I'm probably just gonna paint them black, so no big deal, should be good. So I'm gonna keep these and let's go walk around, check out what else we find. All right, guys, well, I think I'm gonna take off. There's not much else here, to be honest, so I'd rather go get my 60 bucks back at Linwood and go check out the 190 there. So let's head over there. All right, guys, we're out of here. Let's head over to Linwood and check out that 190 real quick. All right, you guys, getting close to Linwood Pick and Pull. Just got off the 5. Man, it is such a beautiful day. Cannot wait for summer, you guys. All right, guys, we're arriving. Funny story, Highway 99 is where I bought my first ever Mercedes, my old 202, back a couple miles. Good car. All right, guys, hasn't been long since we were here. Got store credit back and like $6. So I got a 210 that was over there last time they moved it. We were looking for row 42 for the 190. Go check it out and see what's on it. They usually get absolutely picked apart pretty fast, so we'll see what's still there. Last time, by the way, guys, there was that URS6 Audi that I saw the week previous, and there was a guy behind me when I was buying the M113K that wanted the motor. Everything was stripped off of that car pretty fast. It's a rare car, especially rare to see at a junkyard for the Audi peeps. Damn, that thing was like underwater. Okay, is this row 42? Maybe? Where are you? All right, well, typical brake lights are broken and cracked on this side, so probably not worth getting. Diesel 2.5. Doors are pretty stuck. Nice blue interior. Oh, look at that wheel. What is that wheel? All right, guys, well, I wanted that steering wheel, but I didn't have the right Allen socket, so I didn't expect to find that. So had to go over to Advanced Auto Parts. It's actually the first time I've been to an Advanced Auto Parts. Now we're gonna go try to get that hub off. All right, you guys, we got it. I don't really know what this wheel is, Demo. I don't really care much about the wheel, but the hub is cool to have. Save some money on that because it's probably cheap here. So big shout out to my friends over there to lend me some tools. Threw them a $5 because I kept going past to ask them for things, but I got it. All right, guys, it was 40 bucks, but I didn't have to pay anything because I had the store credit. So I got $15 left on my credit. This is a Demo wheel, it looks like. I don't know what that is, guys. If you guys know, comment below. I was trying to look it up right now, but couldn't find anything right off the bat. There was some similar that were like Momo or something, but I don't know. We'll find out once I can get on the internet at home and check it out. All right, dudes, we're home. Time to unload this stuff. Continue on a different video of cleaning up the garage, but let's recap what we got. All right, my dudes, we are back. My phone died, so that also ran out of juice. Ready to throw on the new steering wheel? Okay, we'll try it out. Might as well test fit it. I was just ripping out the old 190E wheel. This thing is in okay shape, but this cover on it is disgusting and the rest of the wheel is moldy, so we're just gonna get rid of it all together. Took out the airbag, 2 T30 screws holding it on right here that are being held in still, so I'm gonna get this 10 mil out of here and throw on that hub. Alright guys, barely got that one out. Somebody's definitely been in here before because it was chewed up before I got here, so I snagged the other bolt from the pick and pull, so we'll end up using that one instead of trying to reuse this one. So let's go take this off. Hold that. Now you gotta turn it the other way. You gotta look at here. I'm gonna get in. Alright guys, Maze is on camera duty. Good job, buddy. Alright, so we're gonna try to take this out and then put our new one in, hopefully around the same position. I'm gonna toss this over here. And I'm gonna end up redoing this wheel a little bit, but for now, we'll just get the hub on at least. Try to line it up. Should be pretty good right there.
That's a new one.
That's the new one, yeah.
And this is the old one.
That's the old one, yep.
How do you do that so swiftly?
Just practice.
Oh.
Alright, and for this new one, shout out to Benzofair on IG. He told me what it was. It's a Dino wheel, or Dino, I don't know what the company pronounces it as, but they're pretty popular late 80s, it sounds like. They're kind of like a step below Nardi or things like that, so it's a good wheel. I don't know if I'll end up keeping the wheel, but we at least got the hub. You point it up a little bit, there you go. We at least got the hub and can use the wheel if we want. Yeah, all right, that should be plenty tight. Okay. Got the wheel. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed Junkyard Adventures. This guy's ready for the trampoline, so I think I am too. That was a long day of car stuff. Got lucky at Arlington and a super surprise score at Linwood. So another pick and pull adventure in the books. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was awesome taking this thing out to stretch its legs. First real drive I've had in it. So anyways, catch you on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.